AI voice translation is becoming incredibly popular for YouTube creators, businesses, educators, and global content creators. And with ElevenLabs, you can translate spoken audio into different languages while still keeping natural-sounding narration. So in this guide, I'll show you how to translate voices using ElevenLabs AI step by step. First, open the ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. Once you enter the dashboard, you'll have access to voice and dubbing tools. Now look for the dubbing, translation, or multilingual voice section, depending on the version of ElevenLabs you're using. Next, upload the audio or video file you want to translate. So you can use podcasts, YouTube videos, tutorials, interviews, or narration clips. After uploading the file, choose the original language being spoken in the recording. Now select the language you want the AI to translate the voice into. ElevenLabs supports multiple languages depending on the current platform features. Once everything is ready, start the AI translation or dubbing process. The system will analyze the speech, translate it, and generate a new voice track automatically. And that's your full guide on how to translate voices using ElevenLabs AI. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create multilingual AI voice content quickly and efficiently.